DRICORE Pro Concrete Repair is one of the strongest concrete crack repair systems. DRICORE Pro Concrete Repair Kits are DIY friendly and easy to install. Just follow our simple installation process. Prep, seal, inject, reinforce. Most other brands only offer products to seal the crack, which can reopen over time. DRICORE both seals and structurally reinforces the crack with carbon fiber for a long-lasting solution. The crack injection kit effectively seals and fills cracks in concrete. It includes Crack Prep surface paste, which is a preparation adhesive for attaching injection ports and sealing concrete cracks and holes prior to injection. It is high strength and moisture tolerant. It also includes crack injection expanding foam that expands 15 times its volume to fill dry or wet cracks in concrete prior to reinforcement. This fast-acting, moisture-resistant formula expands to completely fill cracks in concrete. It is low viscosity and easy to inject. The carbon fiber reinforcement kit structurally strengthens cracked concrete to prevent further movement. Lightweight carbon fiber is 10 times stronger than steel, non-corrosive, and water-resistant. The kit increases the structural strength of block, CMU, and poured concrete walls. Carbon fiber is easily painted over for a discreet repair and does not take up additional square footage. The quick, easy, and efficient installation can be completed in a single day. DRICORE Pro Concrete Repair Kits are perfect for interior and exterior applications. If installing outdoors, remember to apply paint, a protective coating, or cover to protect the carbon fiber from UV light.
DRICORE, don't build without it.